Nakalimutan ko mag-good morning kanina nung bumaba ako. Afternoon na, papunta na akong lunch. May naririnig kayong umiiyak? Nagpapa-baby si Molly. Tingnan nyo. Oh, you okay? You popo okay? Nagpapa-baby ang baby ko. Kasi sobrang init, kaya dito siya nakahiga. Tumatabi sa akin. Tumatabi sa akin, pero malapit sa akin kasi may electric fan. Oh, Chiko. The baby wants to go. Oh, shush. It's Friday today. I can't wait to finish today. Matatapos ako ng 4 o'clock. And I can't wait. 4 hours to go. Kaya, yeah. Tapos, may bisita kaming darating mamaya. Yung sister-in-law ko at saka yung anak niya. Mag-nibbles lang kami. Kakain lang kami ng snacks and konting drinks sa garden namin. Yun lang. Wala na kaming ibang gagawin this afternoon. Kaya, yeah, enjoy namin ang weather kasi ang ganda-ganda talaga ng panahon at the moment. Kaya enjoy lang. Sobrang init, kaya may electric fan kami kasi hikain din ako, kaya kailangan ko na electric fan. Anyway, maghahanap muna ako ng ila-lunch ko, guys. Lunch na ako. Maghahanap lang ako ng ila-lunch ko. Ano ba ila-lunch ko? Toblerone. Ano ba ito? Yung gulay. Ay, kainin ko na lang yan kasi sayang naman pag itapon yung gulay. Yan yung pink na roses ko, guys. Yan. So, lumalabas na sila ng konti. Yun yung iba. Babe. Tapos yung other roses. Dito ako magsasunbathing mayan. Sobrang init. Yun. Namumulaklak na sila. There. Tapos madami pa doon sa bandang likod doon. Pero hindi pa sila lumalabas. Yeah. Where's Molly, May? Moles, what you doing? What you doing? Pung pung. Oh, shush. Si ano? Papalamig si Molly. Sobrang init. Tapos na ako work, guys, and I am off for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. I'm sorry. Okay. Nagki-crave ako ng something na malamig. I know hindi ako pwedeng kumain ng ice cream na non-dairy, but I need something. Lagay kayo dyan. Kukuha lang ako ng ng ice cream. So, ito yung ice cream na pakainin ko. Kayo ba, sa may mga asawa, sinusuot nyo ba yung yung tawag niyan? Hindi ako nakikita. May mga asawa to or boyfriend, whatever, sinusuot nyo ba yung damit nila? Kasi ako, sinusuot ko yung mga t-shirt ng asawa ko kasi napaka-komportable. Kung ako lang ba? No, I don't think ako lang. Alam ko may mga tao dyan na kagaya ko na nagsusuot din. Diba? Napaka-comfortable kasi. At lalagyan ko din siya ng pineapple. May 4 na tira. 2 lang kakainin ko kasi yung asawa ko kainin ng 2 mamaya ata. At saka yung favorite na ice cream namin. Pati mga bata ito. Si Ben and Jerry's fish food. Yan. Ang sarap nito. Ay naku. Makakaubos talaga ako ng isang tab nito. Pero nagagalit yung asawa ko kapag kumakain ako ng maraming ice cream kasi alam niya na yun ang sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Ang sarap kasi nito eh. Sa lahat ng ng flavor nila, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Kasi medyo may gooey sa loob. And there's my snack. Mos. Oh. Molly me. Just a snack. Oh hi. Want some of this, Mopo? Want some of this? Molly, that smells disgusting. Punta tayo sa labas kasi so nice. Kapag nandito tayo sa loob ng bahay. Yung hair ko, ano pa nangyayari sa hair ko guys? Yan na lang. Kayo na lang mag-adjust sa aking buhok. Yung simuli andun. Kayo ilagay. Agay. Ka-oily ng mukha. Kain tayo ng ice cream. Dati, nang wala pang corned beef, kapag Friday, minsan pumupunta kaming town. Pero kasi may corned beef, nasa bahay lang muna kami. What's that, Moles? What's that? Is that Ada? Shush. And she's off. We're having nibbles. Bird sticks. Oh, hindi ko alam, nakalimutan ko. On that one. Nipples. Guys, may dumating sa akin na delivery galing sa Amazon. Tapos nang binuksan ko, ito yung book ni Padre Pio. Ay, umiyak talaga ako. Bigay sa akin ng kaibigan ko na si Ate Leia. Binigyan niya ako pero hindi ko talaga alam. Kasi may message ko mga kaibigan ko na sino ba nagpadala sa akin. Tapos siya pala. Nung nagpunta kaming London, si Ate Leia at saka yung isang kaibigan namin, si Ate Amy, napag-usapan namin nga pupunta nga kaming Rome. Gusto namin pumuntang Rome kasi gusto namin pumunta doon sa lugar ni Padre Pio. Oh, yun. Hopefully one day. I'm so happy. I promise, Ate Leia, babasahin ko talaga to. I promise. Thank you. Unexpected. Chora, how many times you been to Philippines?
5 times.
And do you like it?
Oh my god, I love it. What I love about it are the people are so friendly. It's really lovely. I love talking to people. Everyone's always really happy to chat.
What do you recommend people to go to?
So 2 islands that I loved the most were Sigihor. That was beautiful, but my only criticism of that is that it's not very partyish, and I like a bit of a party, but it's lovely if you just want to go and chill. It's beautiful. But my favourite island is, what's it called? Panglao.
Panglao.
Oh my god, I love that, because Panglao, you've got all the bars, and you've got sort of the quiet bars, just have a drink and a chat, or you've got the places with a bit of music. The beaches are lovely. It's just fabulous.
And that's where I'm from.
That's where. And last time I went to Panglao, I went to visit Jenny's house, and it sounds like I'm a local, but every time I go there, I go and visit her family. So I know her grandma, her mum, her uncle, her aunt, her little. Is she your sister? Your little one?
Crashella is my cousin.
No, Crashella. Yes,
my,
Crashella. But the little one.
Yeah, Jasmine is my sister. So
I go and see them, and I sit and have a drink with them, and I met one of her uncles, and he took me on his motorbike somewhere.
Yeah, that's Uncle Jaime. So you guys, if you want to go to Philippines, then go to Panglao.
Go to Panglao or Sigihor.
Yeah, or Sigihor. Sigihor is more of relaxing, isn't it?
It is, and we stayed in this most beautiful hotel, which had a swim-up bar. Yes, so this evening I'm visiting my brother and Jenny, and we're having a little drink together. We're drinking a vodka and coke tonight, aren't we?
Yeah.
The sun's out, it's lovely. And obviously in the UK, we don't get a lot of really nice weather, but at the moment it's been 31 degrees, which is unheard of.
It's like Philippine weather.
It's like Philippine weather, yeah, without the air conditioning.
Yeah. There's still a lot of places in Philippines that I never been.
No.
So I want, one day.
Does anybody want to ask me any questions?
Yeah, if you want to ask questions for Cheryl, just comment and then I'll let Cheryl know. Guys, look, it's a sunset na. And look. Ganito pag summer dito sa UK, matagal dumilim. Nice. So nice.